All right, so Priyanka, we'll quickly take a few questions from your fans. The rapid fire was very interesting as always. This is Zehra from Portugal. How do you come on board for Baywatch? What is the process like that you?
Um, a script came to me. It was actually for another role in the film, and I love Baywatch, so I was very excited about the fact that it was being made into a film. And out of everything else that had come to me, this excited me a lot as a character also. I mean, as a film. So they were talking to me about another role, and then I met the director via Skype like this actually, because I was in Montreal and I was filming my show, and he talked to me about playing the negative role and the negative antagonist of the film, and I haven't done one since Satkun Maaf and Aitraz, so I got very excited that I get to take on the entire lifeguard squad, and to play a villain in a comedy will be really interesting. And I love Seth Gordon. He makes Horrible Bosses. I love his mentality. Horrible Bosses was a really funny movie, and I think that he'll make Baywatch into really, really interesting. So that's why I decided to come on board.
Great. This is Neetu from Toronto. What's your plan for handling March Madness, as in Jai Gangajal, Quantico, Baywatch, and all?
The Oscars, wow. The Oscars happen on the 28th. 29th, I start Baywatch. 4th, Jai Gangajal releases. 6th, Quantico comes out. That week is going to be madness for me.
Mahima from India. How much effort does it take to compete with male actors in terms of opportunities? You've also been talking about equal in terms of remuneration for women, both in, I think you've spoken as far as Bollywood is concerned. You also expressed
I've talked about disparity. I've not talked about the equality of it. I don't think that we are going to reach there very soon. I think we are at a great time in Indian cinema and the evolution of Indian cinema right now, where the opportunities for female actors to do a film like Jai Gangajal or Mary Kom or Fashion is so much more than it was a decade or 15-20 years ago. I mean, it was all about the boys and the films at that time, and we were just the girl standing behind a boy holding him, But now we get to do that, of course, and we also get to do, roles which are led by us on our shoulders. And I think it's a great time for a female actor in Indian cinema.
Absolutely. This is Priyanka from New York. Out of Abha in Gangajal, Alex in Quantico, and Victoria in Baywatch, who do you relate the most to? Whom do you relate?
I don't like relating with my characters. Then I'll be playing myself. मेरा बड़ा अलग point of view है acting वगैरह के ऊपर. दुनिया में almost 7 billion लोग हैं, तो आप सोचिए कितने अलग-अलग किस्म के किरदार मैं create कर सकती हूँ, right? So I like to create a person and then I like to play them. So I don't need to relate with any of my characters because I'm not playing me at all.
You also spoken about the fact that you'd love to get a nomination for Oscars someday.
No, everybody was asking me, you're presenting, aren't you excited? So I said, मुझे मिल तो रहा नहीं है ना. I mean, I'm excited about going, but when I get it, then I'll be excited.
Right, but you've got many awards in India. I'm sure that this is, and you've already got People's Choice as well. So I'm sure that this is one aspiration that you must be having. In a way.
I want to be. Awards have never been my aspiration. My aspiration has been applause, like any actor. एक artist को क्या चाहिए? You work for applause, and awards are encouragement, of course. Awards are an acknowledgement of the hard work that you do, but they are not the be all at the end all of everything. I think to be accepted in a completely new country like America, मुझे सिर्फ 6 महीने हुए जैसे मैंने कहा था, and then to get a People's Choice Award. That is a very wonderful feeling कि मैं किसी और देश से आई हूँ और मुझे अलग नहीं महसूस करवाया गया, मेरे टैलेंट को recognize किया गया है, and that feels good.